I am so excited. I have a huge Princess Polly haul for you guys, and I am so excited to show you because I'm actually going to Greece in a few days, 2 to be exact. I just knew that my outfits needed to pop off, okay? I want to give the biggest thank you to Princess Polly for sponsoring this video. Thanks to them, I picked out the cutest outfits that I'm gonna wear there. I mean, I'm also gonna wear them all summer round because they just have the cutest summer stuff right now, but most of the things that I picked out specifically with Greece in mind. Before I show you guys what I got, I did want to let you know that Princess Polly does ship within the United States, and they offer free express shipping on orders over $50. Princess Polly also does offer Afterpay and Shop Pay to all US customers. And most importantly, I have a discount code for you guys. You can use my code EmilyN to save 20% off at checkout. The first thing I want to show you guys is the little tee that I'm wearing now. Now, I didn't pick this out for Greece. I picked it out because you guys know I love Disney and I can just never get enough Disney shirts. I saw this on the website, knew that I had to have it. It is this Donald Duck baby tee. It's so cute, and this shirt I got in a size medium just for reference because I like these shirts to be fitted but still a little bit loose. And then the bottoms that I'm wearing are sweatpants. I'm a little bit insane for getting sweatpants when we are in the prime summer heat, but I got them because one, they were just really cute. Like, I love the color and the little hibiscus flowers. I thought these would be perfect for the plane ride over because even though they're sweatpants, they're pretty light material, so they're gonna keep me warm, but I'm not gonna die in the summer heat. The next thing I want to show you guys is this cutie little tube top. This is a knit tube top, and I was a little bit worried on if it would kind of stay up or not, but it does. It fits so well. It is so flattering. This top really reminded me of the sunset. I thought this would be kind of cute to wear in Greece, maybe paired with a white skirt or white bottoms or jeans as we're like going to dinner. Next thing I got is this cutie little cropped tee. I saw this on the website and immediately it reminded me of a shirt that I had when I was in elementary school. I feel like this kind of pattern, tie-dye, flowers was very popular when I was in elementary school, and I kind of feel like those trends are coming back. Like, if it's something I would have worn in elementary school, it's probably gonna start to be kind of popular again. I could be totally wrong on that. Next up is this blue romper. I do have this romper in green. When I think of Greece, I think of blue. Cough, cough, my nails, cough, cough. I love the fit of this romper. It is just so flattering. It like hugs you in all the right places, but it's also super flowy. It's just like the perfect summer romper. Next up, I got this white little button down. I have wanted one of these for so long. I got this in a size 8, which isn't my normal size, but I did want it to be oversized, so I got this as a cover up for the beach or the pool. I feel like it's the perfect summer cover up. I'm definitely gonna feel like a Pinterest girly wearing this. Next, we have this white little dress, and this dress is so stunning. I really didn't need another white dress. White just looks so good on you if you have a tan. I don't know how tan I'm gonna get on this trip, but I would hope I'll get a little bit of color. I thought this would be super cute paired with this cobalt blue purse, and then getting like a cute photo in this outfit up against the blue architecture, scenery. I am so excited about this purse. This color is stunning. It comes with a little chain strap, and it also comes with a thicker strap. I'm probably gonna use the thicker strap. That way I can wear it as a crossbody, like when we're walking around and stuff. I don't just have to keep it on my shoulder the whole time. And they have this purse in like a million different colors, but I feel like this is a really good just summer staple purse. Next up is this little flower dress. I got this because of the colors, the green, yellow, blue. It's one of my favorite color schemes together. I was thinking maybe I could wear this to dinner one night. I thought this would look really pretty at sunset with like the skyline. I've never actually been to Greece before, but I've seen it in movies, I've seen it on social media, so what I'm imagining we're going to see is like how I'm picturing where I'll wear the outfits. I could be totally wrong though. Next up, we have a bit of a longer dress. So this is a midi dress. When I think of Greece, I do think of more like longer dresses. This dress is the perfect length. I definitely feel very just like put together when I put on this dress. I thought this would be super cute, also paired with the white button down. Next is yet another blue item. The theme for everything I got is definitely blue. That's kind of my favorite color right now. This is, I think, my favorite thing. It is this cutie little blue sundress, It is so flattering and it ties in the back, so it's super, super adjustable. I got this in a 4. By the way, most things I got in a size 4. I thought this would be the perfect like exploring around the town dress, or I also thought it'd be a really cute cover up, maybe for the beach, maybe just to wear over a bathing suit. I probably will just wear this anywhere and everywhere because I love it so much. Next thing I got is this little tote bag. I knew that I wanted a tote bag when like walking around the town sometimes because there's just a lot of things I think I'm gonna want to bring. I like that this one has double straps. I feel like it makes it a little bit sturdier, and I love the color too because it's probably not gonna get as dirty when I'm like swinging it all the way around town, putting it on the street probably. Next thing I got is actually this little crochet kind of straw hat, I guess is the best way to describe it. I really wanted to just get a fun hat for the trip, just to maybe get a cutie little picture in, maybe wear it at the pool. I don't know, but I really liked these colors. I thought this could be a fun little thing. Next up is actually another one of my favorites that I got, and it is this beautiful little floral dress with the kind of puff sleeves. I just think this dress is so cute. I saw it on the website. I immediately knew I had to have it. This is just the perfect summer dress that I can see myself wearing to go get coffee, maybe go on little dates with friends, and just hanging out. Next thing I got are these star claw clips. These might look familiar. Before these were trendy, before I'd seen anybody ever wear these, I got a little pack. I had little Minnie Mouses in it, and it also came with stars and flowers and stuff, but I didn't bring that with me to Texas, which is where I am at the moment. And I saw this on the Princess Polly website, and the way the model styled it was so cute. I was like, okay, wait, no, I have to have them. This has like a million different stars in all the colors you could ever want. And then next up, I got this little headband. I've been super into headbands lately, specifically these like thick elastic ones. Fun fact, when I was in 4th grade, I would wear a headband every single day. I would always wear my hair the same exact way, and then I think I got to middle school and I never wore a headband again. But now all of a sudden I can feel my headband obsession coming back. They're just so cute. They're a perfect way to get your hair out of your face. So I found this blue one that I thought would be so cute for the pool, for in the morning, just whatever. And then yet another blue item is this claw clip. I just love the like marble kind of blue colors. Maybe a go-to hairstyle is wearing my hair half up, half down with a little claw clip and then walking around Greece. Next, I got a pair of blue light glasses. I feel like you can never have too many pairs of sunglasses or blue light glasses. I really wanted like a neutral brown color, so I thought these were really fun to wear, and I thought these would be good to bring with me to Greece because I know like on the plane I'm going to be staring at a screen for however many hours, so I know these are just going to be really good to have. And then like I said, you can never have too many pairs of sunglasses, so I got another pair. But these are fun. I realized I don't have a pair of white sunglasses, so this is my pair. Oh, okay, good try, Emily. And then I also got a ton of necklaces. Recently, my current obsession is necklaces, specifically layered necklaces. My goal is to make like a specific layered necklace stack. The one that I'm wearing now is this colorful one with this one. I got this sun necklace pack. I thought these were so cute, and that's it. That's everything I got. Again, just a huge thank you to Princess Polly for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna have links to everything in the description box below so you guys can shop as well, and don't forget you can use my discount code EmilyN to save 20% off of your order. I am so excited to wear everything this summer. Princess Polly has got you covered for all your pool needs, beach needs, vacation needs, whatever your summer is gonna consist of. Princess Polly has got you covered. That leaves me with one more question for you guys. Would you be interested in a Greece vlog? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That just really helps me out, and make sure you are subscribed so you never miss a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!